Heidi ho, hope everybody's doing well today. Mr. Wonderful here. I've done these before, it's a 2 shillings, but I'm going to try and make it a narrow banded ring. I'm going to use the biggest punch I've got. This is a 5/8 punch. I haven't used this punch ever before, this is the first time. So this is hopefully a slightly narrower banded ring. Because not everybody likes a thick banded ring. So, let's give it a go, Joe. Yeah, I haven't used this punch before. This also came with a Jason Works punch, so I've got 5 or 6 punches. There she is, looking good again, not leaking, looking rather gorgeous as usual. Right, that went through. Does it need a slap on the bottom? No, it doesn't. Makes a change, doesn't it? Right, there's my hammer. Oh yeah. I think this will be quite a nice ring. Look at that. Very small. And where is Christy Berg on? Chris, where are you? Christy Berg's buggered off again. Been doing so much different stuff. Stuff just disappears on me. That's my glass cutter. That's a pen. So I just want to clean up that edge. It's not looking too bad, but it needs a bit of love and attention. That's good. If you're not subscribed, how about it? It's free, there's no obligation, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. There's a little red button bottom right hand corner of this video. Hit that and you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, you're automatically notified every time I upload a video. You want to check out my shop, it's yourfingermyring.com. There's loads of stuff in there, check it out. If you want to email me, it's yourfingermyring@proton.me. Right, let's dry it off. It's going to have to be this sunny side up on the ring, isn't it? So it's going to go face down in my 17-degree folding die. That's pretty good. Right, let's go over to Big Red. See what he's got for us. Right, that went good. Just break out Emma. Emma's on the floor. This is Sandy's sister, Emma. There you go, beautiful. So now we go over to Big Red. Now we go over to Spike. Bit of kitchen roll. There he is. Looking rather good today. Aren't you, mate? So, give a bit of a turn each time. How's it looking? Good. Still a bit of a bow in it. God, Gary, you was lucky, man, wasn't you? That tornado 4 miles down the road from your place. Jesus, wet man. Did you know any of the people that got hurt, or? Must have been terrifying for you. Yeah, my heart goes out to them poor people that lost their houses. God. Right, let's show a bit more love again, I think, with, oh, I like this narrow banded ring. Right, let's warm it up a bit more. Okie dokie. I do custom work if you're looking for a ring. I've got loads of different coins you can mail me, find out what I've got. So now we want to go over to the bottom end of Spike. And these are reduction dice. You can even send me your own coins if you have a special coin that's got some sentimental value to you. Where's Luby Lou? Luby Lou, where are you? There she is. Luby Lou, Luby Lou. You just want to straighten them all up. Make sure it's square. That's pretty square to me. That don't look too bad. There's a bit of a lip on the inside. You just want to cut that out, or it's uncomfortable to wear. No, I'm looking at it. I think it needs a touch more. Let me go over to Spike again. It's quite deceiving, the lens on this camera. It still needs more. More. That's better. Right. I get Dave the Dremel. Kate Bush is already installed. So let's clean it up a bit. There you go. 1951, 2 shillings. That's my birth year. Right. 2 shillings. Oh yeah. I like this narrow banded. I never thought about that. It's still got the detail. That's why I use the kitchen roll. Where is she? Oh, it's George, yeah. Right. I will polish this. But if you prefer the Edwin look, all I have to do is run over it again with Kate. Simple. Right. I'll have to use a cloth. A slightly cleaner cloth, I think. Here we go. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice. Well, this is the first narrow banded 2 shillings I've done, and I like it a lot. I will clear coat these once sold, just in case I need to adjust the size. What size we got? We've got a size. This is a size 12 3/4 nearest down here. I can make them smaller. I can make them bigger. Fits this finger just right. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your comments. Hit the like button for me, and God willing, I will see you all tomorrow. Tell me bye-bye. Yeah, I like it. Beautiful.